80 animals.
Ladybug. Hello, everyone. How are you today? I am happy to see you again. Are you ready to learn? Today we'll learn about ladybugs. This is a ladybug. Isn't it cute? Let's start by learning some words using pictures.
Appear. When something appears, we can see it. Before it appears, we can't see it. In the picture, the rabbit wasn't seen. But when the magician touched the hat, the rabbit appeared. So we can see the rabbit. Dim. Look at the arrow. It points to a dim circle. We use dim when something is not bright and not dark. In the day, when the sun sets, it is dim outside. After the sun sets, it becomes dark. Spread. If you spread your arms, you stretch them out. You see an eagle. The eagle spreads its wings.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Appear. Spread. Dim. Now you will read a story. After you read, you will take a quiz. Look at the back of the leaf. You can see many small yellow eggs. They are a ladybug's eggs. An egg turns black and a larva comes out of the egg. The larva grows and becomes a pupa. Look at the pupa. A small ladybug comes out of it. Dim spots appear on the wings. It spreads its wings. It flies into the sky. Ladybugs eat harmful bugs on farms. So farmers like ladybugs. Where are the ladybug's eggs? On its wings. On the leaf. What color does the egg turn just before the larva comes out? Black. Yellow. What is true about the ladybug? It has spots on its wings.
It is a harmful bug.
Did you enjoy the lesson? I hope you liked it. That's all for now. Goodbye.